Since people first walked the earth, we've loved discovering new things. From the earliest days, humans have been driven by curiosity, always seeking to uncover the unknown and understand the world around us. We're explorers at heart, always wanting to find out what's hidden. We even explore space. Our quest for knowledge has taken us to the farthest reaches of the universe, yet some of the most fascinating discoveries are right here on our own planet. But right here, under our feet, are amazing treasures waiting to be found. The ground beneath us holds secrets that tell the story of our planet's past and offer clues to its future. Finding these valuable materials like metals and minerals is a big adventure. It's a journey that combines science, technology, and a bit of detective work to uncover the hidden riches of the Earth. It's not just about finding valuable rocks. It's about piecing together the puzzle of our planet's history and understanding the processes that have shaped it over billions of years. It's about understanding how our Earth works. By studying rock layers, mineral compositions, and geological formations, we gain insights into the dynamic forces that have molded our world. By looking at what minerals are made of and where they are, we learn how the Earth was made, how it changes, and what happened over millions of years. This knowledge helps us predict future changes and prepare for them. This helps us understand Earth's history and how to take care of it in the future. By learning from the past, we can make better decisions to protect our planet and ensure its health for generations to come. We need more minerals now than ever before because there are more people, bigger cities, and lots of new technology. Our modern lifestyle depends on these resources, and the demand continues to grow. Our phones, computers, electric cars, and solar panels all need minerals. These devices are integral to our daily lives in the push towards a more sustainable future. As we try to make the world greener, we need to find these minerals in a way that doesn't hurt the environment. Sustainable mining practices are essential to balance our needs with the health of our planet. That's the exciting part. Finding new ways to find these treasures without hurting our planet. Innovations in technology and methodology are paving the way for more responsible resource extraction. New tools and technology help us look deep underground and find valuable minerals better than ever before. These advancements are revolutionizing the field of geology and opening up new possibilities for discovery. Imagine you're a detective looking for clues, but instead of solving crimes, you're uncovering the secrets of the Earth. In mineral exploration, geochemists are like detectives. They venture into the field, exploring rocky terrains and remote areas. But instead of fingerprints, they study tiny bits of chemicals left by hidden minerals. These chemical traces are like the Earth's own fingerprints. These chemical clues are in the dirt, water, and even plants. By collecting samples from various sources, they piece together a bigger picture. They tell us what kind of rocks are underground. Different rocks contain different minerals, and these minerals leave unique chemical signatures. Taking dirt samples is important. It's a meticulous process that requires precision and care. Scientists take dirt from different spots and study what's in it. They analyze the composition to find patterns and anomalies. If they find a lot of certain elements in one spot, it could mean there are minerals hidden underneath. These hotspots are key indicators. Rivers and lakes also give us clues. Water bodies act as natural conveyors, carrying mineral particles over long distances. When water flows over rocks, it picks up tiny bits of minerals. These particles are then transported downstream. By testing the water, scientists can follow the clues back to where the minerals came from. It's like tracing a breadcrumb trail. Special tests like looking at isotopes tell us even more. Isotopes provide detailed information about the elements. Isotopes are like tiny parts of elements. They help us understand the history and origin of the minerals. By studying them, we can figure out how old the minerals are, how they were formed, and where they came from. This information is crucial for understanding geological processes. These tests aren't just for fun. They provide essential data that can lead to significant discoveries. They're important for finding the minerals we need for new technology and a greener future. From smartphones to renewable energy, these minerals play a vital role in our modern world. The Earth has a giant invisible magnetic force field around it. This field comes from deep inside the Earth and protects us from the sun. But this magnetic field isn't the same everywhere. It changes depending on what's under the ground. Geophysics uses physics to study what's under the ground. Magnetic surveys measure changes in the magnetic field to make maps of underground rocks. Some minerals, especially ones with iron, change the magnetic field around them. By looking at these changes, scientists can find areas where these minerals are, which could mean valuable ores are nearby. Magnetic surveys are really good at finding iron ore because it's very magnetic. They also help us map underground structures like cracks and folds in the rock, which can tell us where minerals might be. This information isn't just for finding minerals, it helps us understand how the Earth's plates move, where earthquakes might happen, and how the continents have changed over millions of years. Gravity is what keeps us on the ground, but gravity isn't the same everywhere on Earth. It changes a little bit depending on what kind of rocks are underground. Geophysicists use these tiny changes to map what's under the ground. Gravity surveys measure these tiny changes to make pictures of the Earth's insides. Heavy rocks, like ones with metal ores, have a little bit stronger gravity than lighter rocks like sand and mud. By finding areas with stronger gravity, scientists can find hidden minerals. Gravity surveys are good at finding heavy minerals like gold, copper, and lead. They also help us map underground structures that might have minerals. This information is also useful for finding underground water, geothermal energy, and understanding the Earth's layers. As we try to make the world greener, we need more of what are called critical minerals. These minerals are super important for green technology, like electric cars, solar panels, wind turbines, and energy-efficient lights. For example, lithium is a light metal used in batteries for electric cars, phones, laptops, and lots of other things. As we use more electric cars, we need more lithium. Cobalt is another critical mineral. We need it for powerful batteries in electric cars and for storing energy. Nickel is also important for batteries in electric cars and renewable energy. Rare earth elements are a group of 17 elements that are special because they are magnetic and conduct electricity. We need them for wind turbines, electric car motors, and computer hard drives. It's really important that we find these critical minerals in a safe and sustainable way. New exploration techniques like the ones we talked about help us find these minerals to meet the world's growing needs. Fieldwork is the foundation of mineral exploration. Geologists and technicians go to faraway places, sometimes dangerous ones, to collect data and uncover Earth's secrets. A successful exploration project needs careful planning, good sampling techniques, and accurate record keeping. Before going out into the field, scientists study maps and data, choose where to look, and get permission from local communities and governments. How they collect samples depends on what kind of minerals they're looking for. They use tools like augers and drills to collect dirt, scoops for riverbed samples, and special bottles for water samples. It's important to write down exactly where and how deep each sample came from. GPS devices help record the exact location. The data collected in the field is then used for chemical and geophysical analysis, helping scientists find potential mineral deposits. The data collected in the field, like chemical tests of dirt, water, and rocks, is the first step in understanding the Earth's hidden secrets. These samples are meticulously gathered from various locations, ensuring a comprehensive analysis. Measurements of magnetic and gravity fields are also taken, providing a wealth of information that is just waiting to be deciphered. These measurements help scientists understand the physical properties of the Earth's subsurface. Understanding this data requires a blend of scientific knowledge, mathematical skills, and a deep understanding of geology. Scientists often work in the field, analyzing data on laptops and jotting down complex equations to make sense of their findings. Geochemists carefully study the chemicals in the samples, looking for patterns and anything unusual that might indicate the presence of valuable minerals. They conduct various tests in the lab to identify the chemical composition of the samples. Using advanced computer programs, they create detailed maps and 3D models to visualize the distribution of different elements. These visual tools help in identifying areas of interest that might warrant further exploration. Geophysicists, on the other hand, focus on studying the variations in magnetic and gravity fields. These variations can reveal the structure of underground formations and highlight potential mineral-rich zones. They use specialized software to interpret the data, creating visual representations of what lies beneath the surface. These images are crucial for understanding the geological context and planning further exploration. The process of understanding the data is iterative, involving constant checking and refining of information. Scientists compare their findings with existing maps, drilling data, and other exploration results to ensure accuracy. It's akin to assembling a complex puzzle, where each piece of data contributes to a clearer and more detailed picture of the subsurface. Every new piece of information helps to refine the overall understanding. This comprehensive analysis aids exploration companies in making informed decisions about where to focus their efforts next. It helps determine whether to conduct more detailed exploration or to proceed with drilling operations. As we look for resources underground, we need to do it responsibly and sustainably. We can't ignore the impact mineral exploration has on the environment and people. Sustainable exploration means minimizing damage to the environment and working respectfully with local communities. This means minimizing land disturbance, reducing pollution, and protecting plants and animals. One way to do this is to use new technology, like taking pictures from space or airplanes, which reduces the need for ground exploration. It's also important to talk to local communities and respect their rights and culture. This means getting their permission before starting any exploration, giving them jobs and training, and helping with community projects. Sustainable exploration is not just the right thing to do, it's also good for business. By protecting the environment and working with local communities, exploration companies can get permission to work on the land, avoid delays, and build a good reputation. Finding minerals has been important for people since the beginning of time. From the Stone Age to the Bronze Age and the Iron Age, our technology has always depended on finding and using Earth's resources. Now, in the 21st century, finding minerals is more important than ever. We face big challenges like climate change, running out of resources, and a growing population. To build a greener future, we need green technology, and that technology needs a steady supply of critical minerals. New tools and techniques help us find mineral deposits better and faster than ever before. These techniques not only help us find the resources we need, but they also help us do it in a way that's better for the environment. As we learn more and create new technology, we must keep exploring for and using Earth's resources responsibly. The future of our planet depends on it.
Welcome to the world of geology and earth sciences with Ricardo Valls, a seasoned professional geologist bringing you over 1,500 videos of unparalleled expertise. Whether you're a budding graduate student, an early career specialist, or a seasoned professional, this channel is your gateway to a wealth of knowledge. Explore a vast array of Earth-related subjects, including geology, geochemistry, structural geology, and the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in geosciences. Ricardo Valls not only shares his own invaluable insights, but also brings you exclusive interviews and collaborations with other prominent geologists, offering a comprehensive view of the field. Stay ahead of the curve with our latest content, covering everything from unraveling the Earth's secrets to exploring global geological phenomena. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your knowledge and stay at the forefront of the industry. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and share this invaluable resource with your colleagues and friends. Join our growing community of over 2,000 earth science enthusiasts and professionals today. Unlock the secrets of the Earth with Ricardo Valls, your top resource for all things geology. The future of geosciences is here. Be part of it.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.